Welcome to this tutorial on why use CyberScout Password Reset. In today's digital age, password security is more important than ever. With the increasing number of online accounts and passwords to remember, it can be challenging to keep track of them all. This is where CyberScout comes in, a comprehensive identity management and password reset solution. Step 1 is to understand the importance of password security. Using weak or easily guessable passwords can put your personal and financial information at risk. CyberScout helps to mitigate this risk by providing a secure and efficient way to reset passwords. Step 2 is to recognize the benefits of using CyberScout. With CyberScout, you can reset your password from anywhere, at any time, using any device with an internet connection. This eliminates the need to wait for business hours or contact a help desk, making it a convenient solution for individuals and organizations alike. Step 3 is to learn how CyberScout works. CyberScout uses advanced encryption and security protocols to protect your information. When you need to reset your password, simply visit the CyberScout website or use the mobile app, answer a few security questions, and create a new password. Step 4 is to understand the key features of CyberScout. These include password reset, account lockout, and identity monitoring. CyberScout also provides educational resources and support to help you manage your passwords and protect your identity. In terms of best practices, it is essential to use strong and unique passwords for all of your online accounts. Avoid using easily guessable information such as your name, birth date, or common words. Instead, use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. In conclusion, using CyberScout Password Reset is an effective way to manage your passwords and protect your identity. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can take control of your password security and reduce the risk of identity theft and other cyber threats. Remember to always use strong and unique passwords, and take advantage of the features and resources provided by CyberScout to stay safe online.